So if you guys remember from some videos back, I did a dengue thing, the DOH thing, and I've decided to make a slime that's anti-dengue. So this is a little experiment that I'm trying to do. I hope it works. So, as you know, I think I made like 3 videos of slime. It's my 4th, I think. If you guys haven't seen the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, I'll leave like maybe 3 of them or all of them here, or some of them here on the eye. And in the last video, I made this slime. It's called the forest pineapple. I made it for the glittery slime. I hope it works because I made slime out of a small gallon of glue, and then, wait, no, not a small gallon, a small bottle of glue, and then I put citronella on it, and it melted, and I'm hoping this works, guys. So let's get straight on into the video. Now we're gonna pour a little bit in there. It's this part specifically. Stiffer. There you go. It's so stretchy. I love how stretchy your slime is. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the citronella. Hopefully it works. Hopefully. Let's hope the scent is strong enough to shoo mosquitoes. Let's hope it doesn't melt the slime. Okay, it's starting to smell good. Maybe some mosquito. It smells good. It smells so good. Think so? Yeah, it smells like citronella already, guys. Bubble! Another bubble! Double bubble. This is the final product. So guys, this is the final product of the anti-dengue slime. Whatever your citronella spray smells like when you add it in your slime, that's how your slime should smell. Like your citronella spray. Just make sure you don't use a strong scent activator, because if you do, then you add your citronella spray, it will like not smell like citronella no matter how much you add. So tip, you're supposed to put the finished product first before adding whatever glitter, scent, food coloring, beads, dye clay. Well, saturated slime would work, but yeah. I hope this idea works for you guys. If you guys did this along with me too, you can smell your slime and put this in a container if you want to go to the park or camping or something. And there's a lot of mosquitoes in your tent. You can just open up your slime and play with it if you want. We're going to test how long the scent lasts. I maybe will give an update on my next video or something like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this helps you get rid of your mosquito. Bye!